Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8. Software projecting on 3-minute chart. Short alerts displayed on scanner. Intelligent trader understand this is crucial key moment to the downside. Intelligent trader prepares and protecting profits very carefully. There is nothing else available this morning, only this. Every single day trading range changes. Every single day you need to respect what institutions do. You need to respect the difference and similarity between institutional and retail traders. Crawl is on. Finally, market pulling back to the downside. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing when this plays out. That's it. Patience rewarded. Wait calmly for signs. The quote from one of our incredible traders. And that's how you trade Alpha Fibonacci system. You do not gamble, you do not speculate. You wait calmly for signs. Can you do that? And that's the power of predictive proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system I developed in 2008. System traded globally on all instruments. Software for NinjaTrader 8 came out in 2019. RZ means reversal zone. If you're trading multiple lot sizes, you trail very, very close. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. Trade markets as Alpha Fibonacci Chess. And if I convert the software to 1, this is ultimate precision to the tick. That's it. It's in front of you right now. But again, as we're monitoring S&P, reaching critical key level to the downside, this is software for NinjaTrader 8. This is not. This is system on all platforms. No software required. US dollar reached reversal zone to the upside. October 2022. Again and again and again. I time my trips based on currency and visit to Canada when US dollar at the highest level. You knew this months in advance. Identical level on all platforms. Software for NinjaTrader 8. That's it. You decide if you want to use software for NinjaTrader 8 or if you want to trade all other multiple instruments. US dollar testing 132, key level to the downside. This level is out, you will see historical crash on US dollar. But hold on 1 second. Pound skyrocketed from ultimate low. There is no software here, only ultimate predictive precision of the Alpha Fibonacci system. This is identical level where S&P is right now. When I meet with students in London, timing my visits when a pound at the ultimate low. Remember that part? The start of the rally? Do you? All in advance, never after the fact. When you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci system. You buy the bottom and sell the top. S&P at exact same place. Stock There is no bullish reversal yet, as you saw on pound this summer. Price struggling to break through this level to the upside. This is the reason trading room is open, so you can see instantly precision of the system in the software, and you can ask questions. But day trading is not for everyone. Anyone can trade system long term. Historical rally on pound. Pound no longer at 1. Pound currently overextended.
Connection lost.
Testing critical key 125 to the upside. Bitcoin. Historical crash on Bitcoin spectacular. You knew not to buy Bitcoin at the top, November 2021. Here's Bitcoin before the crash. Use your brilliant limitless brain, please. Stop trading on hype and understand. You can trade the system on all instruments. You can trade the system on all platforms. Or on NinjaTrader 8 with the software for futures. So again, only if you trade multiple lot sizes, you're scaling out carefully, you're understanding there is no bullish reversal yet, as price moves one step at a time. Again, this is reversal zone in front of you. I converted software to 1-minute chart, so you can see ultimate precision instantly. So here we go, traders, in front of you, Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone to the downside. If market is bought instantly at this level, this is your trading range this morning. There is nothing else, only this is present. That's it. So just to remind you, extremely important part of all the events that played out on Bitcoin in 2022. When Tom Brady hyping Bitcoin and FTX, he can afford to lose $70 million. When Michael Saylor produces 20 podcasts per week hyping Bitcoin, he can afford to lose $6 billion in a day. Correct? We're discussing in classes. This is not the place to buy Bitcoin. It's not. Your only option to short the markets. Identical place for S&P on retail chart this morning. Bitcoin in free fall 70%. If trading on hype worked, every person on this planet would be Bill Gates. It never does. But what works is your brilliant, limitless brain. What works is your limitless brain, endless effort. Where Bitcoin skyrocketed from is all precise. Correct? This is key support to the downside. This is critical key level of Bitcoin. Price moves one step at a time. And again, there is no safe haven in Amazon. Collapse on Amazon was historical and spectacular, and you knew this far in advance. The only company to lose $1 trillion. But how flawlessly Amazon reversed from its identical level is in front of you right now on 1-minute chart. That's the reason trading room open. This is the only option that's present. That's it. So when you're done speculating, when you're done gambling with your money, when you're done running to Amazon because it's safe haven, it's not. Safe haven lies in you and your brilliant, limitless brain. So that's it. This is spectacular predictive precision of proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system. So this is the email from mom who has 2 little babies on her hands, whose husband brought her to the course where Jennifer says, oh, this beautiful game of chess. Patience rewarded, wait calmly for signs. Yet another successful day trading Nasdaq. So if Jennifer can do this on Nasdaq, if Richard can retire trading Alpha Fibonacci System via options, if traders can do this all over the world, so can you. If executive can trade outside of his work hours and keep bringing his friends to the course, if emergency room doctor knows where to exit Bitcoin, so can you. That's it. When students bring in their friends to the course, it's an honor. Only you can identify what's appropriate for you. Word to my student success is a reason I live and breathe what I do. And if Ken can buy his home trading Alpha Fibonacci system, so can you. That's it. Use your limitless brain, please. That's safe haven. There is no speculation on gambling here, ultimate precision only. Please review all the details on the homepage, where you will find all the answers. This is institutional system traded globally on all instruments. I developed this system 2008. I'm obsessed with Fibonacci. I keep developing system strategies constantly. 32 strategies developed since 2008. 14 converted to software. Software is not a requirement. You can trade all strategies software free on all instruments, all time frames. Choice is yours. If it's stocks, if it's futures, if it's Forex. So listen to students' podcasts, view students' emails, because if these traders can do it, so can you. The only thing you have to do is make an effort and choose the instrument appropriate for you. Is it Forex? Is it Bitcoin? Or is it futures? Absolutely your choice. Or is it options? When you can trade pure price, you can trade it all. Currently I have 2 spaces available for private mentoring. And when you've used the video Ken made about my work, it's breathtaking. That's it. Private mentoring savings $8,000. Includes it all. Second option, group course most popular option, savings $5,000. Video library included in every option. 50% of our students work full-time or in the middle of the night in Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa, enjoying video library of hundreds of prior live recorded classes. So if you are on Ninja Trader, option 2 and 4 appropriate for you. If you are not, option 1 and 3. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And that's ultimate precision. And that's how traders trade all over the world. This beautiful game of chess on all instruments. No powerful buying, just little bounce only. Intelligent trader knows with a single glimpse. But reversal zone obeyed, prices stuck, exit and walk away.